Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And I have a habit. Anywhere I go, I would like to see their libraries. And here I am, Huangshan Library. Huangshan Library. Let's go inside. This is a newly developed area. Huizhou, this area of China, is very historical and has a lot of history, cultural, and this particular area is newly developed. There are some libraries of cake library, the the Huizhou Cultural Library, the District Cultural Library, and the Cultural Museum and library, city library. Let's take a look. Okay, so there is a performance center just behind that big bus. It's a school field trip day. Spring is coming. There are some newly built pagoda, I feel. And on that side is the museum, and this is the library. Let's get in. It's a new style of construction. I will not talk now. Okay, now let's take a look. I am connected to the local Wi-Fi, the library Wi-Fi. I think it should be quite a good one. There is a courtyard outside. See, it's always green and the bamboo. And in China now, the government, I think the government is promoting people learning and study. There are a lot of these public study place in all the bookstores. There is either a dedicated seat or area where people just sit there with their computer, with their book, with their magazine, with their newspaper, read the whole day as they like. I think that's a very good thing. And today, the library opens. I thought it was not open because it's so quiet. Oh, this is the children's section, looks like. Let's get in. And that is the parking area of the museum, the children's. The little yellow hat, they are so cute. Oh my goodness. Children are always the cutest thing. think holding hand is obliged so that the kids will not run away. And you know, in China, the class usually 30, 40, and even 50 in public school. And taking control of a class is quite a job, right? Everyone has to hold hand. So the lady has cleaned everything so clean. Wipe here and wipe the floor. It's like a mirror. And this one is a 导航, it's a guide, travel guide.
可以对我说带我去江上面的地点名称。是否确认到航道服务中心？请回答确定。好的，请慢慢来。
I go to the service desk and
成功，已到达目的地服务中心。15秒后，我将回到接待点。
bye bye. That's so cool. Oh my Okay, I am out and it's just so quiet, right? A lot of bookstores are just same quiet. People read a book and enjoy in the library, in bookstore, and feels good. Okay, let's keep on my traveling. See you later, alligator.